Hello guys, good day and welcome to Arkinos. I'm Architect Jojo. Today we're here again in our side project. This project is a 42-story structure. The project name is Congressional Town Center Tower 2, a 42-story mixed-use building. So right here, nandito tayo ngayon sa roof deck natin, and today it's already March 28, 2024. Actually, Holy Thursday ngayon. Now, sinamantala natin na makapunta dito para hindi masyadong crowded and maraming workers. And if you take this opportunity para i-update ko kayo dito sa mga finishes ng ating structure. From inside or from exterior to the interior part ng ating structure. And let's see all the development here in Congressional Town Center Tower 2. Let's go guys, and let's take a look all the development, all the features and all the finishes here in Congressional Project. Now we're here in the facade of our structure. So here's the development dito sa ating facade or exterior wall ng ating structure. So you see here this tangerine color, the vertical panel. These materials are made up of concrete precast. So kinonect natin siya dun sa beam at kinonect din natin siya dun sa ating slab. So ang thickness niya is only 2 inches. Now on this area, may nakikita pa kayong mga opening. So maglalagay tayo dyan ng mga fixed glass. Then also you see the gray color na louver. Yan yung ating ventilation slot para sa ating parking area. Now on top, yung function area, yun yung merong malaking opening. So maglalagay tayo dyan ng glass. Yan nakikita nyo. So hindi pa natin siya na-install, but over here, dito sa bandang itaas, we already installed all the fixed glass and windows. From here, dito sa area na to, yan, kita nyo yung combination ng gray tsaka yung orange or yung tangerine na color na louver. So yan yung ating ventilation slot para dun sa ating window type na aircon. Then sa bandang itaas, kita nyo na malaki na yung development ng mga insulation ng ating windows. Almost 90% already installed. So kitang-kita natin dito yung development ng facade ng ating structure. Now, meron pa tayong nakalagay na alimak, but later on we will remove it hanggang sa makapag-finish tayo totally ng ating facade ng ating structure. Now, moving on, in the left side of the structure, kita natin dito na napinturahan na natin yung mga exterior walls. Already have the glass and already have also the louvers para dun sa ating aircon. Then on top, you see here the combination of light to dark combination of paints. So almost all the windows are already installed and completed, and also the paint already completed. We already have the top coat mula dyan sa itaas, pababa, and maayos na itong left side natin. It's almost complete. Meron na tayong na-install na glass and fixed glass, and also yung mga panels natin na naka-install na. So malaking development ito for this month of March 2024. Now on the rear part ng ating structure, so ito yung development natin, yung area ng ating swimming pool, yung may ring na canopy. Then over here, itong lower floor, yung parking area natin. So may mga work on progress pa tayo dito sa exterior wall. But you see here in the upper part of the structure, the glass or the fixed glass already installed, the paint and the combination of the colors of the paint from light to dark, and all the louvers na nandito, yung ating color na tangerine and gray na louver para sa aircon. So naka-install na silang lahat. So this is the area or part ng ating rear ng ating structure. So you see here all the glass and all the paints, combination ng pintura na ginamit natin dito sa rear part ng ating structure. Now going to the swimming pool area, okay, tayo dito sa stair going to the platform of our swimming pool deck. So here, andito na tayo sa swimming pool area. And ito yung ating kiddie pool. Itong ellipse shape ng pool na ito. Ito yung ating kiddie pool. So ito, natapos na rin yung waterproofing. Then already undergoes testing for any leak test. Yung flood testing natin dito sa area is natapos na rin. Then hopefully we will have a floor covering or yung finished flooring ng ating kiddie pool. Then here sa area na to, yan, natapos na rin natin yung colonnade ng ating canopies dito sa area na to. Yan, so we have here the column of the canopy. Then itong area na to, itong half circle will be our planter's box. So meron siyang sa lahat ng poste natin mula dun sa area na yon. Yan, so every columns maglalagay tayo ng planter's box. So dito, it will be a combination ng ating design to help or introduce plants. Of course, we need some greens here in the area para mas lalong maging fresh ang area ng ating full deck. So ito yung series ng ating design or accent na canopy here at the pool deck area. Now, ito naman yung ating lap pool. So here, natapos na rin natin yung flood testing dito sa area na to. Itong part na to, ito yung ating overflow drain ng ating swimming pool. Then here, so dito maglalagay din tayo ng floor covering para matakpan yung ating overflow drain area. So dito, ito yung natapos na nating swimming pool. And this swimming pool was already completed flood testing. So wala na tayong leak and natapos na yung waterproofing natin na maayos. Then we conducted flood testing, and this area of the swimming pool is already ready to receive the floor finishes nung tiles na ilalagay natin dito sa area. Now from there, yon, kung nandun kayo sa part na yon, mababa kayo using this stair going to the swimming pool. So we have two series of stairs here, one, then another one on the other side. Yan, so magka-align siya. So ito, mahaba-haba rin to, no, na swimming pool. So you can enjoy during summer, you can enjoy and relax and have plunge over here in the swimming pool lap area. Now, on the outside, you can see here also the finishes of the exterior wall here. So we already have the finishes of our paints. Nakapagpintura na tayo from our exterior wall, and also we already installed our windows and also the louvers. So yung louvers na yan, dyan nakalagay yung ating ACCU or ating mga aircon. Dyan siya nakalagay. So yan yung ating ventilation slots or ventilation area for our aircon. So kinonceal natin siya, tinakpan natin siya using that aluminum louvers. So we have here in our design, we incorporate the ledge, itong white na nakikita nyo. Then meron kaming touch of gray for our exterior wall paint finishes. So na-install na natin yung mga glass. That one is tempered glass. So from there, doon sa top na yan, so nakapag-install na tayo ng ating mga clear glass na windows na may frame siya na aluminum. So here, ito yung right side ng ating structure. Ito naman yung rear side ng ating structure. So dito, same thing dito sa right side. We already installed all the windows, window frames, everything dito sa area na to. Yan, meron na tayong mga pintura. So we have the combination of louvers. Merong dark gray, then meron din tayong orange dun sa upper part ng ating structure. Yan, so ang framing ng ating windows is aluminum window frames. So ito yung development natin dito sa ating swimming pool area. Alright, so akit naman tayo doon sa upper part, yung pinaka open deck na area natin. and tingnan natin yung view, yung development dun sa itaas. Let's go! Now we're here at the lower deck area ng ating 40th floor. So it's already completed. We installed tiles, flooring tiles using 60 by 60 na matte tile dito sa area na to. Then we already have the railing for the glass railing na makikita natin dito sa palibot. But still, di pa tayo nakapag-install ng ating mga glass railing dito sa area na to. But soon as we will install all the glass railing dito sa ating lower deck. Now you see here the 41st and 42nd, pati yung pinaka-roof deck natin na nandun yung ating water tank. So kompleto na rin yung ating pintura dito and almost complete. Makapag-top coat na tayo dito. So this lower deck is almost 460 square meter. So masarap dito mag-relax, to have sightseeing dito sa area. As you see around, itong mga structures na nandito sa ating likuran. So you can see all the houses dito sa ating neighborhood. Now on this other side is the major road, the Congressional Avenue. So ito yung view natin dito. Now here you can see here the major road, the Congressional Avenue, yung sinuzoom ko. Then doon sa area na yun, yung intersection, that will be the Visayas Avenue. So the intersection of Congressional and Visayas Avenue. So from afar, you will see also the mountainous area doon sa part na yon. So that will be maybe part of Montalban or Rizal area na yan. So you can see some of the structure over there. Ito yung view natin pag nandito ka sa open deck area ng ating structure, itong Congressional Town Center, Tower 2. So now from afar, you will see that structures, yung series of structures na yan, yan yung area ng Ortigas area. So right here, ito yung open deck dito sa ating project. So you can see here this already completed the paint, already applied with the waterproofing and ready for turnover this year 2024. Now here on the other side, let's see also the view on this side. So right there, so napakalawak. So ito yung view na makikita nyo dito sa area na to. So yun from afar, medyo malayo na yung pinaka masusum na ng ating device. Yan yung mga series of structure. So still, ito yung Congressional Road, ito yung major road dito sa or major thoroughfare ng ating area or project dito sa Congressional. Now, napakita ko sa inyo yung four corners ng ating structure, yung mga finishes dun sa labas and development, and also dun sa area ng ating swimming pool area and also dito sa ating deck area. So this will be the part 1 of our video, and the next video will be the interior part ng ating structure ang ipapakita natin. Alright guys, till then, and see you in the part 2 of this video featuring the interior finishes of Congressional Town Center Tower 2. I'm Architect Jojo Golfeo, joyfully sharing with you what Archie knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.